Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply e-commerce video training designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of e-commerce. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will take you by the hand and show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you really need to know to dominate e-commerce the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This is exactly what you are going to learn. This video training is composed of 15 high-definition training videos organized into 3 sections. Section 1, E-commerce Basics. In video number 1, What is e-commerce all about?, we will cover topics like what is it, why should you get into it today, why is it so hot, and how does it work. In video number 2, How can an existing offline business benefit from e-commerce?, you'll learn topics like what is a business, how can e-commerce help your business, where can you start, and what a successful business's e-commerce site looks like. In video number 3, How can an independent professional offer their services using the internet?, you'll learn topics like what is an independent professional, how can e-commerce help you as an independent professional, where can you start, and what a successful independent professional's e-commerce site looks like. In video number 4, How can an online marketer make tons of money selling online?, you'll learn topics like what is an online marketer, how can e-commerce help you as an online marketer, where can you start, and what a successful online marketer's e-commerce site looks like. Section 2, Setting up a profitable e-commerce business step by step. In video number 5, Locating a ready-to-buy online audience, you'll learn topics like market versus audience, finding an audience, the 50% rule, and the 3% rule. In video number 6, The Anatomy of a Profit-Pulling E-commerce Site, you'll learn topics like the name, the homepage, the category menu, the product page, the checkout process, and a customer service section. In video number 7, Choosing the Right Domain and Hosting Service for E-commerce Sites, you'll learn topics like what is a domain, what are the best domain solutions out there, what is hosting, and what are the best hosting solutions out there. In video number 8, Template-Based Platforms and WooCommerce for Creating an E-commerce Site, you'll learn topics like Shopify, WooCommerce, and StoreEnvy. In video number 9, Setting up an e-commerce site in 5 minutes or less with Shopify, you'll learn topics like why Shopify, and you'll see how to set up an online store with Shopify in less than 5 minutes. In video number 10, Driving the Right Type of Traffic for E-commerce Sites, you'll learn topics like create a content-driven blog, use Instagram influencers, produce video campaigns, add social media sharing buttons to your products, join Facebook groups, and give away shared coupons. In video number 11, Tracking and Analyzing Your E-commerce Prospects and Customers' Behavior, you'll learn topics like tracking engagement, measuring conversion, long-term measures, Google Analytics, and Retention Grid. Section 3, Additional Tips to Consider. In video number 12, you'll learn about the 10 do's you should consider for a successful e-commerce venture. These are specific things you should remember to use or practice so you can succeed. In video number 13, you'll learn about the 10 don'ts you should avoid for a profitable e-commerce venture. If you ignore these, be prepared to be disappointed. In video number 14, you'll learn about premium e-commerce tools and services to consider. These are several tools dedicated to giving you highly useful services for your e-commerce site so you can get the most out of it. In video 15, you'll get the chance to look at several shocking e-commerce case studies. These are actual examples we have taken from the internet to show you how e-commerce actually works for other businesses, so you can have complete confidence in your ability to achieve your own business success story. Well, it's time for you to get the most out of e-commerce sites on behalf of your own business. I know you'll love this training.